In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a product in WooCommerce fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned e-commerce owner or just starting out, managing your product listings efficiently in WooCommerce is crucial for keeping your online store up to date and running smoothly. We'll guide you through a simple, step-by-step process to edit any product in your WooCommerce store, ensuring your customers see the most accurate and enticing listings available. To begin, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand side of your WordPress admin panel. Here, you'll see a series of options. Click on Dashboard first. This section acts as the nerve center for your website management activities, offering a comprehensive overview of what's happening in your store. Next, focus your attention on the Products tab. You can find this in the same navigation bar within your admin panel. Clicking Products will take you to the area where all your existing products are listed. This is the spot where all the magic happens, a central place to manage and organize the items you're selling. Now, to modify a specific product, click on All Products. This action provides a detailed list of every single item currently available in your WooCommerce store. Skim through your products to find the one you want to edit. This list view offers you key details at a glance, including the product name, price, stock status, and more, helping you quickly decide which product might need updates or improvements. Once you've located the product you want to change, click on the Edit button beneath the product name. This will bring you to the Edit screen, where a multitude of features await your attention. Here, you can adjust various elements of your product such as its title, description, pricing, inventory data, shipping options, and product categories. This section is where you can refine product details to enhance the overall customer experience on your website. After making the necessary changes to your product, it's crucial to save your work. To do that, look for the Publish or Update button, located on the right-hand side of the page. Clicking this button will ensure that any modifications you've made are both saved and reflected on your live site, allowing your audience to view your freshly updated content promptly. And that's it. Editing products in WooCommerce can be that simple and straightforward. By regularly reviewing and updating your product listings, you maintain a polished and engaging online storefront. This process not only benefits your business's credibility, but also enhances user satisfaction and can ultimately boost sales. With practice, these steps will become second nature, enabling you to manage your WooCommerce store with ease and confidence.